Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Stories of animal abuse are not uncommon these days. People do not think about what will happen to their pets. They do not understand that it will be very difficult to survive alone. This woman's camera spotted pictures of a small wet puppy sitting in the street in a dire condition when she was leaving her home to work. It was raining heavily and the cold was severe, in addition to strong winds, which made it difficult for any living creature to stay outside the home. This puppy was expelled. It wasn't moved, and they did not know what to do in these extreme weather conditions, and he suddenly found himself in the street, which made him stand helpless in that position. The woman who lives in Omsk in Belarus, who took pictures of that poor puppy, said that the city where she lives is filled with stray animals that her owners abandoned and are accustomed to watching them. But the situation of that little puppy stopped her because she was really exceptional. She was very moved when she saw him with this horrible situation. He was crying from his friend who left him on the street in this cold weather, and she added that she could not hold her tears when she saw the puppy. The woman confirmed that the little puppy was in a deplorable condition. He was desperate and needed help, although she was going to work, but decided that she would be absent on that day and carry the little puppy in her arms and return to the house to take care of him and provide him with food and warmth. The woman's husband and children liked this puppy, which made her extremely happy, and they rushed to help him. The woman brought the puppy food and left him eating, and then she gave him a shower, and she cleaned it well, so the little puppy looked very clean and surprised everyone. The little puppy had a great sense of humor and interacted with everyone who approached him, which made all the family members get used to it, especially the children who became separated throughout the day. After 2 months, the puppy appeared in a very beautiful appearance as his hair grew and became the attention of people in the street, so that some people even asked his companion when to accompany her to take pictures with him. The woman discovered that the dog was of a rare breed and that it belonged to a businessman in the city, and because he left the city to another destination, he decided to abandon the puppy and throw him on the street. The Belarusian lady has published many photos of the dog on her account on Instagram and Facebook, showing how the dog has grown since she first found it, which has earned her many followers. The dog was very beautiful and admired everyone who saw it, and on the other hand, his story earned the sympathy of many people with him, and they thanked the lady who saved his life from death after she found him on the street in this miserable state.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.